head lag. It's a myth. First of all, this is probably the most non-functional movement you can possibly do. I know it is used all around the world to show a baby's strength, because if they're okay, they should be able to do it, period. If they're okay, they're doing other things so it doesn't happen. This is not a marker of any kind of success or failure. First of all, who gets up out of bed like this? That's what I mean by non-functional movement. If you do not use this movement for functions of life skills, we do not raise from the dead. We are not zombies. Your kids are not zombies, okay? But, fine, your child's doing it. Why? Everybody's going to tell you it's a low tone issue. So that's probably what they're saying. Well, when the head lag's gone, they graduate out of physical therapy or something like that. I have no idea. It's not a measure of development. First of all, what's the breakdown? You've got to look at vision, right? Because I can tell you right now, guys, everybody right now, go lie down, or tonight when you lie down. When you lie down in these kind of proportions, you can get up. If you lie down and your eyes, just this little bit, are going back, right? They're just that little bit going back. You lie down tonight, and now keep your eyes in this position, and you try and sit up. You will never be strong enough. You can't do it. I don't care if you're Arnold Schwarzenegger or not. When you put the body in non-functional movements, they can't do it. So that's the biggest problem of head lag. When the baby's head goes back like this, they can't do it. They cannot bring that head around, and that's not how it works to begin with. So stop doing it. I know somebody told you to do it, and I'm not barking at you, please. But that is not the judgment. What we have a problem with is your child can't cross midline whatsoever. So let's look at the vision. The left eye is coming in. Has that been looked at, right? You have a deviation coming in the left eye, right? And with that, when an eye comes in, and usually I can only do my right eye, but when an eye is coming in like that, right? Now you try and look straight with one eye, and now look, so this eye, see how it can look around? But the one eye is coming in this, it's a dominant. Ugh. So when I have two eyes working together binocular, where I can work from that side to side view, right? That's different. But if I have down here, right, my one eye coming in, then that's a problem. So that's one of the big things is. So what's going on with the astigmatism? Is it an astigmatism, or does it weakness? Is it esotropia or strabismus? And that needs to be done by an ophthalmologist. You have to look at a retinoscopy, right? But if you have visual midline issues, you're going to have most likely midlines through the rest of the body. He has no midlines whatsoever through the chest. So that's why he's going around this way, or he's getting up through the center. His chest cavity cannot cross midline whatsoever, right? You shouldn't be still using words like torticollis and all that, but that's what's showing up. You've got a left eye in, you're not crossing midline, right? And so when he has to look around because he doesn't have the midline crossing, that's where you're going to get the bend from. You know, it's just people with poor evaluation skills. I hate to say it, but that doesn't help you as a parent trying to work on it. So again, you know, so this is what you need to work on, is that left to right. And so that's where it needs to be worked on first. A real simple exercise. And again, it's going to be a little bit harder with your 18-month-old, so you might have to get out the TV or something like that. And you're just going to be here, right? Just like this. And you're just going to be working on, again, not left, right. That's not how we work. But as he's looking around and over here, as he's looking around. And you can put stuff here to play with on the table. But he's just here, but you've got to open up that chest to look at. And we need to know what's going on with that eye coming in. At 18 months, he shouldn't be still that dominant with the left eye turning in like that. And that needs to be looked at, again, by an ophthalmologist doing a retinoscopy. Thank you.